In this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how you guys can sign up for Craigslist. By sign up, I mean how you guys can create yourself a Craigslist account. And for those people who do not know Craigslist is the website where you guys can buy and sell stuff. You guys can get a lot of secondhand stuff for free or in another word, really cheap. But remember of scammers, there are a lot of scammers in Craigslist. But this is not my place to say. If you guys want to know more about it, you can visit the official website to know more about it, alright? So you can visit its website to know more. But this video is on how you guys can sign up for it. So let's get right into the video. But before I show you guys, first step is you want to go to your search engine and search for Craigslist sign up. After you search for it, you want to click on where it says account sign up Craigslist. Once you click on it, it's going to take you to the sign up page of Craigslist. Once you're over here, you want to enter the email address. Whichever email address you enter over here, it's going to be linked with your Craigslist account when you create it. So let me show you guys. For the email, just click on create account and an account under this email will be created. As you guys can see, thanks for signing up for Craigslist account. A link activated to your account has been emailed, which means I need to go to this email to check the link, and from there I can go to another step. So I'm going to go to my email to check that. And as you guys can see, Craigslist has sent me this over here. Now I can just click on this link over here. As you guys can see, this green link. Once I click on it, it's going to take me to the page. Once I'm over here, I can enter a password for my account. After entering the password, I want to enter it again to confirm it. After that, it's going to show me the password strength, and if the password strength is okay, then basically once I click on set password, then my password will be set and my Craigslist account will be created. So that's basically how you guys can create yourself a Craigslist account. So hope you guys were able to understand the video. If you guys were, then be sure to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for a future video. And if you guys want to continue without the password, you can just click on go passwordless, which means every time you try to log in into your account, if you enter your email, basically a link will be sent to your email. You just click on that link and you will be signed up into your account. So that's basically what go passwordless means. Alright, you don't need to enter the password.